Hi, in the last lesson I have shown how to make from a script to video in Pictory, and in this lesson I will show how to edit videos based on this script and how to improve the quality of the video. Here you can see the left side is the tools panel. These are story, visuals, elements, audio, text, styles, branding and format. In the following lessons, I will show each of these tools and how can we use these tools to improve our videos. In this video, I'll show you how you can change your videos based on these scenes. So this scene 1, for example, scene 1, scene 2 are based on your sentences or scripts you have written in the edit board. Based on your script, they have detected the full stops and they have made each of these sentences one scene. And you can see these are all full sentences, and each of the sentences Pictory has made a single scene. However, you can change all of these things according to your own how you want this. For example, there are 16 visual scenes and you can change these scenes on your own. Let's see how can we do it. The first one is Istanbul. Istanbul is, you can recall that we have made a script best tourist destinations of Turkey. So the first one they have selected Istanbul. You can recall also we have made this script from ChatGPT and the first tourist destination was Istanbul. Istanbul is a city that sits at the intersection of Europe and Asia. So this is the first sentence, and Pictory has selected this scene. You can see the preview of the scene and you can see the duration of 6.5 seconds. So you can increase the duration if you want to show the full video. And on the right side is showing estimated video duration 2 minutes 17 seconds. So these 16 scenes are all together 2 minutes 17 seconds. If you don't like the scene, what you can do, you can select the scene and you can go to visuals on the left side. So you first select the scene and then go to visuals. You can see the scene timing is 6.5. I'm using first visuals, and so then you can click here, and if you want to change the scene, then you can type like Istanbul, Turkey. It will show a bunch of videos and you can select here, and this is 29 seconds and this is 25 seconds, 12 seconds, 27 seconds. If you just hover your mouse on a video, it will show the video for a few seconds, then you can choose it. Okay, if I change this scene from to this one, then it will automatically come here. This scene 6.5, I'm going back to story. Okay, just think that we have selected this video to show, and you can see this is 29 seconds. So we go back to story and click on this. If you want to increase the duration of this scene, then you can increase this. The maximum length is 29 seconds. This is the length of this particular video, so you can change it. The default is 5. It was 6.5 because I have clicked it, came back to 5. So you can select it for 15 seconds. So it will show the first 15 seconds of the selected video for the first scene. And remember that Pictory is showing the subtitle here. This is the same script they have put it here, remember, and you can always change these things and I'll show you later. So if you click on the next scene, it has a rich history and culture and is known for its stunning architecture, including the Hagia Sophia and the Blue Mosque. Pictory has selected one scene. Because we have highlighted the Hagia Sophia and Blue Mosque, it has selected the related video. and you see the duration is 10.5 seconds, and it's showing internal architecture of Hagia Sophia. If you want to shorten the sentence, you can just do it like this. You have to go to the first of the sentence and double click, and you can change it. It has a rich history and culture, and it is known for its stunning architecture. So if I want to delete the words and culture, then I can show it has a rich history and is known for its stunning. So I am clicking on the outside, and you can see it has been changed here and also here. It has a rich history and culture is omitted here. So this is how you can change your scripts. And the third scene, showing the city also boosts a vibrant food scene and bustling markets. You can see artificial intelligence of Pictory could not properly make a link to its video because I don't think this is Turkey and there is no relationship food and market. So let's go again to visuals to change the video. You can search like this, Turkey food. So beware that if you search using the words Turkey, but it's showing the turkey bird, which is not right. So I'm trying to change it. Istanbul food, something I have got. It's perfectly done. These are actually Istanbul street foods. So you can select one of the videos if you like. The city also boasts a vibrant food scene and bustling markets. And this is perfectly matched. And this is 10 seconds and your scene duration is 5.5. I suggest if you want to increase the duration like 8 seconds, then it will show 8 seconds. So here you can apply 8 seconds to all scenes, but I don't suggest this because these sentences are not equal to 8 seconds. Sometimes you will see, for example, this sentence, scene 4, is longer than 8 seconds. So I suggest you not to do this. It's better to do manually. For example, this video duration is 12 seconds. So if you set 13 seconds here, then the video will loop. Settings, loop video. If it is green, that means we looped and the same scenes will be shown again. So it's better to set the timing to 8 seconds, which is lower than the original video, and I don't want to loop it. I'll show these settings later on. And the fourth scene, Cappadocia is a region in central Turkey that is famous for its unique rock formation and cave dwelling and hot air balloon rides. I'll show you one thing. If you see your script is longer than you want, because you see this has occupied almost half of the video, you can change the font size. If you just click on here, then you will see number of things will appear here. There are a few things here. Cappadocia is a region in central Turkey that is famous for its unique rock formation. In this video it is showing the rock formation, and the next one is cave dwelling and the hot air balloon rides. The hot air balloon rides is a different video. So what you can do, split the scene. You just click your cursor here, click on here, split scene. So the scene is divided to another scene, and the new scene has become only the hot air balloon rides. So what you can do, you can go back to visuals and you can write Cappadocia hot air balloon. So we have got here hot air balloon rides. Go back story and you see the same video is here. So we can go back visuals, Cappadocia, hot air balloon Cappadocia. Okay, so these are the original hot air balloon of Cappadocia. So you can select, remember it is 27 seconds, and go back story, and you can set, if you want to show the beautiful scenery, you can set 20 seconds. So this is how you can change the visuals, I mean video. Artificial intelligence always are not right, so you have to do it yourself. For example, I suggest you, if you are not sure about whether this is the right video of Cappadocia, I mean there are many places in the world they have their hot air balloon rides, so you can Google it, Cappadocia hot air balloon. So you can go to image, and you can see these photos are similar to this. So in this way you can judge your selection that this is the hot air balloon rides of Cappadocia. You have to take help of artificial intelligence, but not 100%. You have to use your own judgment when you make your video. So I'm showing you another thing. For example, if you select scene 6, visitors can explore ancient underground cities and take in breathtaking views of the landscape from above. I have split the scene from scene 4 to scene 5. Pictory automatically make a link between scene 4 and scene 5. So what does it mean? It means the same video is showing the same video on scene 4 and scene 5. So what you have to do, you have to unlink the scene, because in scene 5 it's balloon ride, and in scene 4 is only the introduction of the Cappadocia city. So you change it and select another video, Cappadocia. So you can select it for Cappadocia. Now go back to story. Now you can see scene 4 is showing the cave dwellings, the caves, and the scene 5 is showing the hotel balloon ride. Two scenes. When you want to show the same video in two different scenes, then you can link two scenes together. Again, the same video on two scenes. It will show two scenes or three scenes. It will show the same video on these selected scenes. So if you make link or link. So this is how you can change the videos. Another thing is, if you want to change the position of the scene, you can see this 3 bar. You just drag to reorder. You can just drag it. The balloon rides will be scene 4, and the introduction of Cappadocia will be scene 5. So because this is the introduction, I want to take it back to scene 4. For example, if you want to show Anatolia, the topics of Anatolia ahead of Cappadocia, you can drag it here. So I'm taking it back because I don't need it. So isn't it very easy to make videos? That's all for this lesson. Thank you.